What is the value of the expression 10 divided by 1/2 multiplied by 2? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This math question confused a lot of people and made them choose the wrong option. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. At the beginning of solving this question, many people go straight to the expression 1/2 multiplied by 2, which I have highlighted in yellow. And they say, it's easy to simplify the 2 with the 2 in the denominator and rewrite this expression as 10 divided by 1, which finally gives them the answer 10. Then, without any hesitation, they immediately say that the correct answer to this question is option B. But that's definitely wrong. Now let me explain step by step how we should solve this expression. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule exactly as I have shown on the screen. It means that we have to perform all the operations in order from top to bottom. As you can see in this expression, we have one division sign followed by a multiplication sign. It's very important to note that multiplication and division are at the same level of precedence. In this case, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move step by step toward the right. So, first we start with the expression 10 divided by 1/2. Okay, whenever we come across a division sign between two terms, the best thing to do is to apply the KCF rule. In this rule, K means keep the first number as it is, C means change the division sign to multiplication, and F means flip the second fraction. Now we remove the highlighted part and replace it with 10 times 2. So this expression simplifies to 20 times 2, which finally gives us the answer 40. Therefore, option D is the correct answer to this question. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and leave a comment. And to see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.